Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got a couple packages that came, and so I'm going to be doing a mail call here. One actually came a while ago, and I really owe the Broussards a apology. I set it up. I set it down on the desk. I had it sit there for I was going to do the mail call back in June. Yeah, June. And I did one of my trips to California, brought a bunch of stuff back in, and stuff got piled on the little package. So I got that from the Broussards, and this one, I'm not quite sure what it is. It doesn't fit anything that I ordered, so we're going to find out what's going on here. So let's go ahead and start with the Broussards one here. And, okay, so I don't have to use the knife, really, to get into it. I may do, because the end of the package here is tearing up. Either that or just sat too long with the package. Okay, so I'm going to have to cut it. There we go. Got it cut open with my everyday carry. All right, so this here this is dried elderberries, and this is the spices and the instructions for making for the elderberry kit. So yeah, this is what they sent me here. So I'm not going to do anything with this till my wife gets here, because I have both my wife and my daughter here to work on this, because this is more of their things. But this is, oh, it smells good. Everything here smells good. So yeah, this is for that, and then it says raw local honey is best for the medicinal properties, but any sweetener can be used. And so, yeah, so we're going to set this aside, and we actually may be doing it here before Christmas if my wife shows up. So hopefully, if she does, she's able to make it back up here from California. Hopefully I'll remember and do a video on it with her and my daughter doing this. All right, next one. Box. Get out the cutter again here. All right, so, okay. I know what this, I did not order this. One of the airbags here popped. Actually, several of them popped. But tub of towels from the staff sergeant. So these things are great for cleaning grease off the stove and off the counters and off the hood. The tub of towels is absolutely fabulous. This is not a promotion. We did not get. It's not a paid promotion. They have not provided us with these. Yeah, so my wife, the staff sergeant, got that and sent this to me because I was getting a little low and I forgot she was going to do that. So, hey, so that's what this mail call was. So that's what we have right now. So hopefully you get good things in the mail this holiday season. And remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps and your supplies. Whether you're a prepper or not, you need to keep extra supplies around. All right?